Hello, and today we ask, why has gold been such a bad investment so far this year? It's been beaten up, it's been mocked, it's been ignored, it's been loathed, and yet it's still there. It will always be there. You can beat gold up as much as you like. You can beat gold into a layer that's barely one atom thick. But there's one thing you can't do, and that is destroy it. It is permanent. And yet, gold's performance in 2021, it's had a bit of a rally over the last 2 or 3 days. But aside from that, its performance has been anything but golden. It began the year at $19.50 an ounce, and here we are barely 2 months into the year, and it's over $200 lower. This is a bear market of the old school grinding variety, and the safe haven has been anything but safe. Gold has been so bad that even the pound is outperforming it. So is the euro, so is the US dollar, even the Turkish lira. The recent issue for gold has been rising bond yields, but longer term, gold's problem is digital technology. Future historians may come to describe the era we're going through as the digital revolution. In the last 30 years, the growth of the digital economy has eclipsed pretty much anything the physical economy has had to offer. The internet, computers, smartphones, social media, video, music, photography, e-publishing, e-commerce, e-finance, even money itself has gone digital. Only around 2 or 3% of the money in the world actually exists as physical cash. Digital debt has pushed up the value of real estate and other financial assets. Today's value is in digital assets, trademarks, intellectual property, data, shares in tech stocks, Bitcoin. The analog economy's seen growth, but nothing like the growth of the digital. Mines, farms, old school retail are dogs compared to the unicorns of Silicon Valley and Seattle. And gold is the most analog, physical asset of the lot. Why do we even need gold now we have gold 2.0 in the form of Bitcoin, many are asking? And the market seems to agree. Gold has seen $12 billion of outflow and Bitcoin has seen $6 billion of inflow. Bitcoin's technology is better, its marketing is better, countless millionaires and billionaires are parading their rapidly found new wealth, discovered thanks to this new religion, an endless supply of memes, an army of coders, investors, communicators and more, perfectly adapted to this new digital world, all acting voluntarily like the armies of the early Roman Republic, united by their shared goal of the untold wealth that Bitcoin at $100,000 or $1 million will bring. It's a network like nothing else. Gold bugs, meanwhile, some of them don't even know what a meme is. The World Gold Council, plump and stolid and bereft of imagination, stares at this new movement in baffled incomprehension and then goes off for an expensive lunch, paid for by a business model that benefits it and nobody else. Gold is the most alluring substance on earth. Look at that. Isn't it sexy? And yet it's been incapable of making itself alluring. Why is Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin and not about gold? In the bull market of the 2000s, gold saw innovation. There was the invention of the gold ETF, which brought billions of institutional money into the metal. There were the likes of Gold Money, Bullion Vault, Goldcore, which brought gold to retail investors. There has been innovation today. The Glint Gold Credit Card, Mene's 24-karat gold jewellery, the Toten Pass digital storage pass, a plethora of gold-backed crypto coins that nobody cares about. But it's been an uphill battle for all of them. There's no coordinated network. Neither central banks nor the institutional investor have been buying. In fact, the latter has been bailing. So 2 key drivers of the market last year have gone. Ross Norman, friend of mine, has been for many years the LBMA's top forecaster. I spoke to him on the phone last week, and he told me that physical gold is actually trading at a premium in China and other parts of Asia. So that does shore the market up a bit. But at the beginning of the year, Ross was predicting an average price of $2,000 for the year, with highs around 2,300. And even now, with gold at 1,700, he's sticking with that. But for Ross's predictions to come good, that would take one heck of a turnaround from here. But Ross has a habit of getting it right with his predictions. A weaker dollar will help. Now, I still own gold. I've got it round my neck. I'll always own gold. I own gold miners. I'm a gold bug. And a bounce here from oversold levels is likely. But the broader trend is down. And unless gold can adapt itself to the realities of the digital economy and thereby make itself alluring again, it will continue to lose relevance. We remain below the highs of 2011, 10 years ago. 100 years from now, gold will be worth more than pounds and dollars and probably bitcoins. But in 100 years, most of us will be long gone. It's the next 5 years we're worried about. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video very soon. In the meantime, cheerio.